This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by selecting the exact text you want to change. This prevents global edits. Once done, verify the font and size because proportional and fixed-width fonts behave differently with spacing. Next, open the font dialog. Either use the Home tab menu or press Ctrl+D for speed. Make sure you're on the right paragraph or selection, otherwise your edits will affect other content. This prepares Word to accept precise character spacing adjustments without unexpected layout shifts. Now you go to the Advanced or Character Spacing tab in the Font dialog to change letter spacing. Choose spacing and pick Expanded or Condensed. Enter a numeric value in points, for example 1.5 pt, to nudge letters apart or closer. Make sure to use the preview box so you can see the impact on your selection before committing. If kerning is relevant, toggle kerning for fonts above a point size. Adjust gradually. Large jumps distort readability and line breaks. Finish by applying the spacing and reviewing how lines break, hyphenation behaves, and how the text aligns. If spacing creates awkward breaks, reduce the value or adjust tracking in small increments. If something looks wrong, use clear formatting or copy the adjusted text and reapply with Format Painter to standardize. Make sure the font is installed and the document isn't using compatibility mode. If pasted content retains odd spacing, paste as plain text and reapply your spacing settings to resolve artifacts.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.